Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix common errors in MetaTrader 5. Whether the app isn't loading properly, keeps disconnecting, or just isn't working right, these quick fixes should help you get it running smoothly again. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, try disconnecting and switching to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, do the opposite. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Sometimes simple connectivity issues are the main cause of MetaTrader 5 errors. Next, if that doesn't solve it, go into your phone's settings. On iPhone, search for iPhone storage, then scroll down until you find the MetaTrader 5 app. Tap on it, select Offload App, and once it's done, reinstall it. This clears out corrupted cache or temporary data that might be causing the problem. If you're using Android, press and hold the MetaTrader 5 app icon, go to App Info, then tap on Storage and Clear Cache. You can also try Clear Data if the issue persists. Just make sure you remember your login details before doing so. Finally, if none of that works, simply restart your phone. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. This often resolves small background issues that might interfere with the app. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix most common MetaTrader 5 errors. I hope this video helped you get your app working again. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more quick tech fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.